A video of this already, but this is more for my own informational purposes. So if you have an iPhone with a broken home button and you can't get past the lock screen, for instance, when you press the power button from here, it says press home to unlock. So if your home button's broken, there's no way to get past. So one workaround to get into settings or into any other screen is to swipe to the right, and you can type in your shortcut that you want to go to. So in my case, I put in settings here, and settings appears. If you're lucky, it's already here in the bottom. When you swipe right, there's settings over here. But once you go into settings, it'll ask you for your passcode, which I'm going to put over here. Takes me to settings, and from here I can go through the normal route of enabling assistive touch, going to general, accessibility, scroll down to assistive touch, and turn on. From here now I finally have the soft touch home button, so that if I lock and now I try to unlock again, the home button's broken, so that doesn't work, but now I have a soft home button I can press, and now I can get into my iPhone. So just wanted to mention this.